The Winter Wonderland, one of 6 in North America, is built from scratch when the cold conditions allow the ice to sprout from the barren ground. Other parks are located in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, Excelsior, Minnesota, Dillon, Colorado, Midway, Utah, and Edmonton, Alberta. This year, the attractions will stand until early March in most locations. At the center of the New Hampshire attraction stand 6 ice structures that are nearly 4 feet tall, more than a meter tall, and are lit from within by colored lights. "It's quite magical, isn't it?" McCafferty said. "It's an amazing creation. I'd really like to know how they actually built it." The attraction starts small in December, when the site's lead builder Matt Paciotto and his team set up icicle farms, metal wrecks that are sprayed with water to allow icicles to grow on them overnight. The icicles are then harvested by ice artists, who place them around more than 70 sprinklers. Once we turn the sprinklers on, the water starts freezing to those icicles, making them grow together, bigger and bigger and thicker, Paciotto said. "We grow the castle about 2 to 3 feet, a half meter to 1 meter, at a time. Within a few weeks, the icicles have managed to cover the entire park, and some reach heights of 20 feet, 6 meters. On a recent sunny day, the massive ice walls shined with a glacial blue hue. After the sun went down, the castles burst with colors thanks to LED lights embedded in the ice. The astonishing visuals are complemented by a synchronized fantasy soundtrack playing throughout the venue. The attraction, which moved to this year from neighboring Lincoln, draws tens of thousands of visitors each season. When the movie Frozen came out, that was a huge boost because now everyone says, 'Oh, we get to see an actual ice castle,'" Paciotto said. 3 years ago, Adam Schellinger started bringing his girlfriend on annual dates to the ice castles in New Hampshire, a 3-hour drive from their hometown of Brooklyn, Connecticut. On last year's visit, Schellinger got down on one knee and popped the question. The crowd immediately cheered. The couple was married in September. "When I proposed, it was blue, and then it went to purple," recalled Schellinger, who returned for a visit with his wife Ashley a couple weeks ago. "It was just awesome, a great backdrop for sure." After a mild start to the winter, the weather in New Hampshire this year has mostly cooperated with only a few days with above freezing temperatures. But that isn't always the case, according to Melissa Smuzinski, Public Relations Director for Ice Castles. She said some locations occasionally have had to cut their seasons short due to warmer winters, but that "we haven't noticed a long-term pattern over the years of our seasons becoming shorter." But Paciotto says he dreads the warmer days.